Hey, here's another why of break no more. So why sticking to your values? It because living your values is the true source of your self-esteem. So it's the true source. Yeah, okay, it's one source. Your true source is like woo woo, but it is definitely building self-esteem in a very amazingly and outstanding manner. When I was burning out, just discovering that I could revolve around values, abstract values, it just changed everything. It changed absolutely everything because I was taking less things personal, and even if I was going into some emotional turmoil, I was abiding some abstract principles which were detached from my identity, personality. So in the end of the day, I could take action without taking things too personal, without thinking, for instance, judging myself. That's it, without judging myself. And I could therefore build trust as well in my actions because I was taking actions and I could see the result of these actions dynamically. And I could see as well the improvement of my emotions and so on. And yeah, even the attacks of people, like very like vehement people coming against me, was like, I was like, what the fuck is going wrong with these people, you know? And I knew that I could answer, abiding like some specific principle, even though I felt that I was hit it, that it was getting heated. I was like, yeah, okay, it just doesn't abide by principle, and I just answer according to my principles. And by answering by those principles, then I was more confident, and I was as well um, having a higher sense of self-esteem because I knew that these values were working good for me, and answering my self-esteem was like upper. So, and I saw that I could handle the heat as well. So yeah, at work, it builds deep confidence in your professional judgment as well because you know your values, you know where you stand, you know where you are. So you are settled in your judgment, professional judgment, and in life, it creates an uncheckable and genuine trust in yourself. Because you see that you can trust yourself in the expression of those values. So this is it. Have fun.